Yuneec Typhoon H Pro Bundle, ultra-high-definition 4K collision avoidance hexacopter drone with 2 batteries, ST16 controller, wizard and a backpack. Ready out of the box, comes with the new ST16 Pro all-in-one controller, no need for a separate phone tablet, integrated 7-inch Android touchscreen, wizard, backpack, extra battery and extra props. Safe to fly with built-in collision avoidance, FAA-compliant no-fly zone, 6 rotor safety with 5 rotor fail-safe, and ultrasonic collision prevention keep you safe. Easy to fly, GPS-stabilized flight control, with 8 smart flight modes, automatic return to home, auto takeoff and auto land. No experience needed to fly this hexacopter. 4K stunning video and image quality, 4K ultra-high-definition video, 12 megapixel photos, full 360-degree anti-vibration gimbal, retractable landing gear for 360-degree filming. Upgraded 1-year warranty, guarantees against manufacturer defects from the original date of purchase. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.